time for unicorn spelling. It's unicorn spellings, list number 15. Word number 1, sunk. Yes, sunk, sunk. My man. Word number 2, book. Book. Oh my god. Book. Word number 3, huge. Huge. Oh my goodness, these glasses are huge. Yeah. Word number 4, fuse. 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 Word number 5, ooh, rescue. 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 6, Q. 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 7, ew. 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 Word number 8, useful. 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 Word number 9, 17. 17. 17. Digo, 17. 10. 18. No, I'm not 18. 18. Hundido. Libro. Enorme. Fusible. Rescate. Cola. Oveja. Útil. Diecisiete. 18. Write 3 sentences and 1 joke. Okay. Bye, guys.